In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove an employee on Gusto. To get started, sign into your Gusto account. Make sure you're using the correct admin or payroll access so you can manage employee records without any issues. Once you're logged in and on the main dashboard, you'll be ready to begin. Next, look to the left-hand menu and click People. This is where Gusto keeps your employee list and profile information. It's the main area you'll use to locate the employee you want to remove from active status. After that, find and select the employee you want to remove. Click on their name to open their profile. Take a moment here to make sure you've chosen the correct person, since this process affects that employee's work status and record inside the system. Once you're on the employee's profile page, select Work. This section contains employment-related details, including the option to begin the dismissal process. If needed, scroll down until you can clearly see the work section and the available actions. Now click Dismiss. This tells Gusto that you want to remove the employee from active employment. At this point, the platform will guide you into the dismissal workflow rather than deleting the person entirely, which is important for keeping employment and payroll records organized. You'll then be asked to review the dismissal information. Read through the details carefully so you understand what will happen to the employee record after the dismissal is completed. This is a useful moment to confirm that everything looks accurate before moving forward. When you're ready, click Dismiss Employee to continue. This advances you to the final part of the process. Gusto may show a summary or confirmation screen, so take a quick look at the information presented before you proceed. Next, confirm the removal by completing the dismissal process. Follow the on-screen prompts until Gusto finishes updating the employee's status. Be sure not to close the page too early, so the change can save properly. Finally, go back to the People section and check the Dismiss tab. This is where you can verify that the employee has been successfully removed from the active employee list and moved into the dismissed records. Seeing them there confirms the process is complete. And that's it. That's how to remove an employee on Gusto. Thanks for watching.